If you are in manufactured housing and you are looking for a better way to track your KPIs and manage your portfolio, you have come to the right place. This is Chris with RentViewer. We are specialists in data analytics and we understand manufactured housing. We have been a Rent Manager integrations partner for several years and we have written custom software for Manage America. And several leading owner-operators in the MH space are our clients. We have built the Manufactured Housing Command Center for MH executives and operations teams who want to proactively manage collections, occupancy, inventory, the leasing funnel, income, expenses, and more. On this page are examples of the dashboards that you can readily connect to your systems and start looking at the performance of your portfolio. We make it very easy for MH companies to work with us. These dashboards are available on a month-to-month subscription. And there are no long-term contracts. If you are using Rent Manager, there is no setup charge. The Command Center is available in 2 editions. Starter Edition comes with 5 dashboards. The Standard Edition includes 10. We will brand the dashboards with your logo and publish them so that you and your team can access them on a web page. Book the demo meeting to get started. At the demo meeting, we will listen to what KPIs are most important for your business, and then we will recommend the dashboards that will help you take control. Start using the system that other mobile home companies are using. Book the demo meeting using the button below.